Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sansim Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add bank account to your Tango. So to add your bank account to your Tango app, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you is to do the left corner of your screen. Once you click on that, on your profile here, all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit till you get to get money option. Click on that. Once you click on get money, you'll see add withdrawal mode. Click on that. On your withdrawal mode here, you see bank transfer. Click on the bank transfer and then put in your full name, bank name and bank account number. Once you are done doing that, and then you click on the connect button, that's it. You will now be able to connect your bank accounts to your Tango app. So guys, you have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.